Short video here to show you how to use a tire inflator with a Cadillac XT4 2024 model. Your particular car and so forth obviously will have some differences, but this will get you started. In the case of an XT4 and probably your car, in the trunk, underneath the trunk is a space where they'll keep the tire inflator. It packaged something similar to that. In the interest of time, I've already taken mine out and made a partial connection, but in the black bag there is a tire inflator, the compressor, as well as a bottle of sealant if you need it. More on that later. In any case, go ahead and get your tire inflator out, and you want to hook it up. What the manuals don't show, I want to give you some details here. In my case, I had a tire in the tread area yesterday. This is a brand new tire because I made a mistake, and that was to apply the sealant first. You don't want to do that. If you check on Google or other sources and whatnot, the sealant is an oil-based compound and coats the entire inside of the tire. If that's the situation, if they're trying to fix a puncture in the tread area, they can't get at it. You have to scrape it away and use tools and whatnot, and many tire shops won't undertake that. So avoid at all costs putting the sealant in. So if you're able to inflate the tire without using the sealant, you're much better off. Now let's show you the hookup here. In my case, this is the particular model that they have with the car. Yours will look a little bit differently. And you've got a hose to connect directly to the tire, and then you've got a power cord running to the car. Now, to obviously operate the generator, you got to have the car running, so you want to get that started. And then when you're all set and you're all hooked up and you got your fingers crossed that you'll be able to inflate the tire and get to a tire repair shop, you then just turn it on. And you look at the dial here until it gets up to the recommended tire pressure, and once it reaches that, just turn the compressor off and unplug it and be on your way. Now, if your attempts to inflate the tire don't work, then you're going to want to use one-time sealant here. The only real difference is, and I'll demonstrate that, is you'd unplug the inflator only, then take this hose here and connect it to the, a little difficult to do this one-handed, but in any case, you'll screw on the hose for the sealant and so forth. And here you can see this nozzle. This is where you would attach the black cable running from the air compressor. That way the compressor will pump the sealant into the tire. But again, try to avoid putting the sealant in the tire unless you absolutely have to, because the puncture is so big that the plug, if you got something stuck in there, the proverbial nail, don't pull the nail out, because you want to keep that as a plug for your tire until you're all finished. So I hope that helps as far as using the devices, as far as a tire inflator rather than the old traditional jack and lug wrench to take the tire off under harsh conditions somewhere in the world.